Aloha! So just wanted to share with you how I do my laundry here at the Heart Village. So they have a washing machine and dryer in this building behind me. Well, actually, there's two of each. We also have the old-fashioned where you don't have any electricity at all. I'm not ready to do that quite yet. So I wash my laundry in the washing machine and then I dry it outside on the line. So you can see here I have some laundry, and then let me turn around here and you can see I have some more laundry hanging in the sun, which I really like to do because I'm using less electricity, causing less cost to the utilities here. And the sunshine, although it may bleach some of my stuff a little bit, I believe that it is killing germs that may not have been killed with the washing process. And I don't know, I just like drying my stuff outside. The only thing is that depending on the material, sometimes it'll be a little stiff. But like my towel, let me turn around here, you can see. So I have my bath towel there. So the first time I go to use it, it's a little bit kind of rough. But then once I start using it and it gets damp from me, drying myself off after a shower, then it's back to normal. So no big deal. So anyway, just wanted to share with you how I do things to be more sustainable and reduce costs and be healthier. And maybe this is something that you would like to try, or you can share what you do to do your part. So mahalo for watching, and please share this if you found it helpful or inspirational, and if you think I could do something different, better next time, then please let me know in the comments. Either way, I love to read your comments and engage in a conversation. Now let me know what you'd like to see in my next video. I don't really have a plan right now, so I kind of just go based upon what people ask me. So have a wonderful day, and may you have peace and love in your heart.